This next song was for a story that my grandma told me, who also appeared on Doric TV, my grandma Ethel. So this is a song about my great-great-great-granda, Willie Taggy, who actually built the house that my grandma is currently still in the family, which is nice. This is a song about how he helped out a dignitary with a false teeth malfunction. This one is a cracker, a gem of a story. This one's called The Patooly Dentist.
Stabbed them and bombed into the ground. My boats were made of wood, men were made of steel. There come a dignitary to speak at the Freemasons' meet. So the local handshackers, they took him to see the sights and the sounds of Al Patooly. The hell by far the land meets the sea. His false teeth, he cried, is there a dentist in Patooly? The question's on my lips. I need a new set of nostrils if that speech I am to give. So great-great-great-grandpa Ponder Willie Taggy, he was kids. Seen this Stramash and said you'll need a horse and care to be sent. They shouted the milkmen, they raced to the tune. The cart wheels were rattling so hard on rail tack Maloo. Up to Peter and shut the door, thinking a tea you bought. After some tea for his dignitary, cause his innings up doing the sea. Opened up a drawer and said, Fanny's the fact in. So he tried on a few until he found the maras for his head. He cried, there was a dentist in Patooly, but there was a lot in Petal. We stopped drawing and nostrils, fire and men, your boots they found. As good as mine, so off they raced back of the lane. The horse Nancy gave a hammer and tongue, kid they were cutting it fine. Splinters and sparks in a cloud of dust as the wheels nearly took on fire. Jimmy the milkman was pushing it to the wire. Bits its Wesley and Pete, they got there just in time. The speech went rare, the serrator man's fine. As he went to leave, he said, I better pay my dentistry. So he speared Willie Taggy, fars the dentist I knew. I'll hate to give him some bobbies. Taggy says, there is no dentist in Patooly, and there is no dentist in Petal. That was no the dentist that gave you a hand. That was the Undertaker, pal.